All right. Trade recap, January 3rd. Yep. 2025. Unfortunately, today cannot beat that. We couldn't beat the odds, and we had a losing day. So, okay. My bias was bearish still, because we were still in this downtrend. Thought we were going to continue lower, and I didn't take any trades until 9 because there was some news that came out. But mainly what I was looking for today was some price to me, like as soon as market open, price started going up. I was looking for like sweeps of liquidity levels from previous sessions yesterday, and we didn't. I was looking for this liquidity sweep right here, but didn't get barely got to it. We did not sweep that liquidity, but I was still looking for sales. I thought that was enough, like confirmation to be looking for sales because it almost swept liquidity, but it did not. And right after that, after I got here, kind of went down, formed a double top, and dropped whatever. So what I was looking at earlier was this liquidity sweep. We have this right here would have been, I feel like, a good trade to take. Um, I missed this one, but it doesn't really play in my um trading. It's not really my trading plan, just trading off of liquidity sweeps. But right here, you can see sweep of this liquidity right here, and then we did have a fair bullish fair value gap right here, and price kind of took out this fair value gap. It took out the liquidity from this fair value gap, and it after it did that, kind of jumped a little bit up here. Really didn't jump, just consolidated, and then we get a big bearish candle close under here, and price rally down. So look, this would have been a nice trade off of this liquidity sweep right here. But the trade I was looking at was off of this bearish fair value gap right here. How do I stretch this? All right, right here. This is a trade I was looking at. So, price dropped after this liquidity sweep, and I was looking for a drawback into a zone where I could look for sells. And it did end up drawing back to this area, and I had taken my trade right here after I got bearish confirmation, and we were in profit for a little bit, but we ended up reversing and forming an uptrend. So I'm trying to figure out like where I messed up. You know, we had our swing high up here, and we had our swing low. We were well above equilibrium, and this is a nice trade setup I like for bearish drawback after this big leg down, sweeping some liquidity down here, and then into this fair value gap. I like this trade setup. I mean, sometimes you got to accept that your analysis isn't always going to be right, and that's kind of what happened. You just sometimes market's random. It's not always going to go in your way. It's my first loss in 2 weeks, so it's not bad. But I will learn from it. I'll try to analyze it some more, see what I could have done better. And I feel like my stop loss was a little bit low. I didn't um let enough room for the trade to breathe. So it had a tight stop. I still got stopped out. that's what happened on this trade. And it's first loss, Topstep account, 1 for 2, and see you on Monday.